Hey, it's Dave Brzozowski with Wilwood Racing. I just want to touch base on things to look at on your master cylinder. I run into this numerous times at events, and it's a very easy one to save yourself time and catch the problem before you get to the racetrack. Any vehicle, master cylinders, the boots, it's always important periodically to pull this boot back. If you ever notice fluid at all in the push rod area, dripping, leaking, that's a sure sign of failure happening or potentially going to happen. Catch you at the racetrack, fix it before you get there. It's good maintenance to do, especially guys that race on the dirt. They're washing their cars, water gets in there, it kills it. So it's always key to keep an eye on that thing, ensure that it's nice and dry before you go to the racetrack.